Hey everybody, we are taking two pieces of fabric and a straight edge to create a star. And then we are going to cut both pieces at the same time, about a centimeter outside of our trace line. And then we'll put the trace line piece on the bottom and put the plain piece on the top. And then we are going to use that trace line as our hot glue line. That way we have some edges as well. We're going to go all the way around the star, and then at the end we will leave an opening because we're going to stuff this star. Now, I didn't have any cotton balls or pillow filling or anything like that, so I used the Sherpa that I've been using for the last couple years for different projects, and it worked great. So we're going to use a skewer, and we're just going to get it down in all the arms of the star, fill it all in nice and fluffy. And then if you want to turn your star inside out and have clean edges, you would do that before stuffing it. I'm going to fray the edges with sandpaper, so I wanted to leave mine right side out. And then if any areas pop open, you can just simply hot glue them back shut. Then we're going to take that sandpaper and we're just going to go around. I did take my turntable off. We're going to go around the front and the back of this star, all the way around the edges there, touching up with any glue as we need to, and just getting those frayed edges to come out. Then we're going to take a piece of cheesecloth and go under the arms of the star there after we kind of crimp it up, and we're going to glue that all the way around. And then we're using the Bodabra bow maker, and we're going to take some pieces of cheesecloth, and we are going to start using those for our bow. We're going to use some different red, white, and blue fabrics. Some are coffee stained and some are not. We're going to use some lace. And once we get it to where we like it, we're going to take our bow wire, pull it up and tie it a couple times in the back, and then cut off the excess. We'll fluff out our bow and trim it up as we need to, and then we're going to glue it on, you guys. I actually glued this one on and I keep trimming it until I get it exactly where I like it. But I think it's a very simple project, very cute. You could put greenery, flowers in here. You could do a tag with a rusty clothespin. I almost did that. I'm trying to think what else. You could use buttons or whatever you want for the center. I had these from Walmart. It's like a pack of 50 for $4, and they're just little bows with pearls in the middle. I thought it was perfect for this project. So we're going to go ahead and glue that in the center. I put a hanger on there, but I'd end up not liking the hanger, so we take that back off, and this is it, you guys. Look how beautiful it turned out. You could put it in a dough bowl or sit it on a sweet little shelf. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a good day.